Hello, today is Wednesday, cooking day. The first skill is making pudding. So you need to have a box of supplies labeled with the pudding icon. And inside there will be like a picture of the milk, some of the stuff that will not fit in here. I use shaker jars. I like a full cup, not just a half cup. So that's like 2 servings. And my friend wants whole milk. So we're gonna start by putting whole milk. If the individuals can't pour from a big one, then put the milk into a smaller cup that they can still pour, but some people will dump too much milk in. I cut the package in half with scissors. So I'm putting a whole half package. 1 cup is 2 servings, and this makes 4 servings. So you put that in there. If you want to stir, you can, but really you don't need to. You just need to shake it. Put the lid on. And some of these lids, like this one, is really good for those that count on whose fine motors are bad. You might need a funnel. Shake it up really good. And I am going to put some of these crackers in it. And I'm going to put them in it. They're Sandy's shortbread cookies. I might even just step on it, right? That's the easiest way. Oh boy, it's going to be good. Let's put the pudding in the bowl. And the cookies on top. Oh boy, this is going to be good. You could also use coconut, nuts, whatever. Enjoy Wednesdays. What a tasty treat. Thank you.